Hey everybody, and welcome back. And today we have this, which is a mini keyboard, and it's backlit. This is a mini wireless keyboard mouse combo. We got this today, so apparently you can use it with quite a few items, like your phone or an Android phone, Android TV, I think your games console, and anything else that can connect wireless to it, basically. So let's have a little look. Let's get this baby, crack this baby open, and take a good old look. So that's the box anyway. Don't know if you can see that. PCs, notebooks, netbooks, tablets, and all sorts of other things. About 6, 7, 8 quid I think this was. The link will be in the description at the bottom there. Let's get that box out of the way and let's get this on. Let's get this opened. Okay, so the first thing I can see in there is you get a USB cable. So I'm presuming that's how you can connect to a device. Though it says wireless on there, I'm presuming you can connect it like that. Here's the instructions. Mini wireless keyboard with touchpad. It did look quite good on the when I brought this. I thought, yeah, I could make some good use out of that, so that's why I got it. So there's the instructions. That's what it potentially can connect to, which I've already gone through. Don't know if you can see that, but there you go. Let's get the box. There's nothing else in there, and here it is. Let's take it out of the wrapper and the other wrapper and give it. How do we get this off then? Oh, there we go. So here it is. If you can get it out of the cellophane. So this is it. So just having a quick look through there, you can use the mouse on here apparently. So one finger is the left mouse button, 2 is like the middle button, so it's like the scrolly wheel, and 3 is the right mouse button. Okay, and it also looks like you've got the right mouse button here, don't know if you can see that, and the left mouse button on there. You've got all the F keys from F1 right up to F10. You've got numbered 1 to 90, QWERTY keyboard. You've got a shift, caps lock, tab. Got an enter, and looks like if you press the function button and you press the enter button, there's a control alt delete. So it's pretty much like a Windows based keyboard. Up here we have the on off button. Here is the USB socket. Don't know if you can see that very well, but that's there. And we pull this. I'm assuming it's going to be the battery. Yeah, there we go. There's the battery. Looks like a mobile phone battery, to be honest. Oh, and it looks. Oh no, it's got like for the AAA battery in there, but there's no connectors. So that's just I'm guessing there's a version before this that used AAA batteries instead of a phone battery. And it looks like just here we have the Wi-Fi dongle to plug into your device, computer, tablet, whatever. We'll keep that out. Put the battery back in. This is the BL-5C. If that means anything to anybody. I'll just clip that back in, push that over, and hopefully let's just switch it on. Hey, look at that. Can you see that? That is pretty sweet. We like that. We do like that. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, the notification bell. Yeah, let's have a little looky. So a quick read of the instructions here. You can have a little boogie to the disco lights. Okay, if we do the function key in F2, that's going to give us all different light displays. Look, how cool is that? I don't know how many there are, but we'll see. That's like a snake's. That's pretty good. Well, I don't know that one much so much. Oh, that's more like it. It's more like a Christmas tree, isn't it? Christmas tree, because of all these goodies that we're buying and reviewing for you lot. It's like Christmas nearly every day. Oh, and just up here, so if we just go through the buttons on the top here, we've got like the play button in the middle, forward and reverse, and there's the volume up and down. And over here we got the directional pad and an OK button. And then these buttons, I'm guessing that's some sort of a media. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm guessing that's some sort of a media button. Email, mute. Oh, there's another left mouse button again. Magnifying. I'm guessing that's search for internet. Home button, I'm guessing that's for internet. E for the Internet Explorer, and the right mouse button. So that is pretty sweet. I do like that. Oh, so the lights are only on for so long. I guess maybe when you press a button. Oh yeah, there we go. And there's like a little slider. Maybe that's the volume. No, it can't be the volume. I don't know what that does. But you've got page down, page up, home, and end. So yeah, it's pretty much like keyboard, Windows keyboard. Oh, you've got, if you do the function key in F9 or F10, you've got F11 and F12. So you've got all the function keys on there, or the F keys, whatever you want to call them. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to my phone, to a mobile device. Let's get this rubbish out of the way. So this is what we got with the phone. I've got an S7. So this came with the phone. If you've got like, I don't know which versions of phone, but you'll need that bit goes into the phone, and then our dongle here should, yes, there's a bit of a struggle, but we've got it in there. So that goes in there. Let me just switch the phone on here. I'll give you a little disco there while I switch the phone on. And we'll put Word on there. Let's create a new document. So it's just creating at the moment. Hope you're enjoying the disco there, but it shouldn't be too long. We have got more gadgets and gizmos coming up in the next sort of few days or weeks, whatever. God's taking his time. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and then you'll see the other bits that we've got. Well, I don't know it's typical. It's just like frozen. Like, it's just giving me the swirly thing. That's it. Well, I'm just going to have to close that down. We'll try again, shall we? So new document, blank. Right, there we go. So we've got a blank document. Right, now I'm going to plug this into the bottom of the phone here. So that's plugged in. We'll see. Oh, that's pretty cool. That, I don't know if you can see that, But here's the device. You can see the mouse button, the mouse thing on there. Okay, and then if we move around, we're actually moving the mouse pointer. How cool is that? And then if we just zoom in a minute, let's get that up there, and then maybe that next to it so you can sort of see what I'm doing or not. Well, move the mouse over. There's a bit of reflection from the window, but you can just see at the top there that that it's going, and the mouse is going moving around. And then if we click, we've got a little cursor at the top here. Have we got a delete button? Back. Yes, there we go. So if I was to write nothing, so if I was to write, oh, what have I done? Oh right, okay, so we'll delete. So we'll just type hello. We'll do a shift and H for capital H. ELLO, hello world. And then enter. That should go down to the, I'm loving this. Pretty impressed with that. I mean, the quality, it's got like rubber bits here which your hands go on. Just on the, let's zoom out, shall we? And we can see everything better then. So on the back here, we've got rubber. So for your hands to sort of like grip, keep hold of it. And so we've got a play button. Volume up and down. There we go, look, my ringtone. Volume up, volume down. So that's pretty cool. We've got play and yeah, forward and reverse. Lots of mouse buttons, I must say. I mean, for the money, yeah, I think it's pretty good actually. I would imagine if you could connect, if you're connecting it to, say, maybe your, well, even if you have it connected to your phone, you know, you can sort of like start writing your emails. You can do emails, messages. If you've got a bigger device, a tablet, that's probably better to use on there. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth getting. 100% worth getting. Let's just zoom in there so you can all see it a little bit better. I think that is well worth the money. And as I say, you can the link is in the description at the bottom. Hope that works. If you look down at the bottom there, you can see the link that we'll put in there for you where you can get one from. We'll put a couple of links in there. Yeah, and let us know in the comments what you think, if you've got one. If you've already got one, or if you're going to buy one, let us know how you get on with it. So that's it for today. I'll say we have got a few more gadgets to be getting through. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell and give us a good old thumbs up and let your friends know as well. And then we'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.